Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another video on what we should not do in Excel. So let us begin. Let me write a small sum function here. 10, 20, 30. So we have written sum function of 10, 20 and 30. The result is 60. And now I'm going to delete 10 from this cell. So we see that still our formula is not updated to the correct value. So our expectation is that some function should give 50 as a result, but we are still seeing 60. So the reason is if you go to formulas tab and then click on calculation options, we have automatic and manual. So whenever you select manual option, then the formulas will not get updated automatically. If you click on save, then the values will get updated. Most of the Excel users they face this kind of issues while they are working with formulas, and they assume that there is some issue with Excel workbooks or the formulas which they are writing. So the actual reason is they may accidentally selected manual calculation options instead of automatic. So by default it will be automatic, but the user without his knowledge sometimes he may select manual, or else we may work on multiple workbooks. So some of the workbooks may have manual calculations. So those workbooks may not get updated automatically. So in order to update the formulas immediately, we need to select automatic. And now I'm going to again write number 10 here. So we can see 60 is updated. Let me delete this number again, and you can see the 50 is auto updated now. So now we get one question, why we have manual option. The manual option is mostly used when you have a lot of formulas in the Excel sheet, and in order to increase the performance of the workbook to validate few numbers, wherein you don't want to auto update all the formulas at a time and you want to just observe the values. Based upon those values you need to write another formula. So in those cases we use this manual option and we'll try to work on the formula, and once we are done with the formula, then we can simply change it to automatic. So this is one of the frequent issue faced by the Excel users. We hope this video will help you in your day-to-day work. This video is created by Team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics.